Hi guys, it's me again. I am so excited. This is my cow foot and I decided just to put, yes, my chicken foot into the cow foot, and this is the cow foot. Look at it, look there, look there. Oh my gosh, look at the gravy. Wow. Yes. Oh my gosh, I wish you could taste it. Oh, yes. And that's butter beans that you can see in it. Yes, and just look at the gravy. Look at the gravy. Yeah, let me just get some gravy and show you. Look at that gravy. And you know, you eat with your eyes, so the colors are beautiful. You have the spring onions, the thyme, the butter bean. Yes, you have the cow foot. That's cow foot. It's nice and soft. I pressure it. Then I put it in the Dutch pot just to go and cook down with the butter bean and the little garnish that I'm going to put aside for it. It's so beautiful. Look there. Just look at that. Look at that. Look at that gravy. Oh my gosh. When I smother that with the white basmati rice. Oh my gosh. Oh, 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 oh. Yes. And that's it. Look there. Look there. All right. That's, oh my gosh, I am excited. You know why? Because this is the first I'm trying it. I've just seasoned it to my taste. Yes, and then I pressure it down because it had to. I pressure the cow foot first, and then I pressured the chicken feet, you know, and I just did the chicken foot for about you know, just 10 minutes, and pressure that. And the cold food had to be pressured about half an hour. All right, and then I felt that, kind of like put the fork through it. Do I like this consistency? And then I put the chicken foot in it and let it pressure down a little bit more, and also I put a bit more seasoning in it. And as you can see, okay, let me tidy up that my pot. It's looking a bit untidy, isn't it? So let me tidy it up back, and then just like, wow, look there. Just look there. Look at the richness. All right, and you can notice it well, nice and soft. Yes, because that's the bone. It does the meat just, melt off the bone. See that? Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm put some oil in my back right now. Yes, definitely going to enjoy this. Just look at it. Just look. Wow. I'm gonna have to clean my lens because okay, I just had to move it. I'm so proud of myself. And just like me, you can try too. Okay? Because it's all about your taste. Look at the gravy. Look at the gravy. Wow. I'm going to dish it out and show you the finished plate soon, alright? Because I did some fried plantain also. Can't wait for taste this. My mouth, oh God. I'm salivating. I cannot wait.